Hello students, this is Dr. Ravi Sani. So today we are going to discuss about the plasma proteins. Proteins present in blood plasma are called plasma proteins. The normal concentration it is around 6 to 8 gram per 100 ml of plasma. The basic types of plasma proteins are albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. These are the respective gram percentages of these plasma proteins. Now come to the this albumin protein. It is formed in the liver. It is smallest in diameter among the plasma proteins. In kidney diseases with glomerular injury, it appears early in urine. That condition is known as albuminuria. Presence of albumin protein in urine is known as albuminuria. Due to this albuminuria, the plasma protein concentration decreases, and that leads to the condition of hypoalbuminemia, means the albumin concentration is reducing. That hypoalbuminemia further decreases colloidal osmotic pressure because albumin protein helps in maintaining of colloidal osmotic pressure or oncotic pressure of plasma. And finally, it leads to edema formation because the albumin protein concentration is decreased. So there will be less albumin is available for holding the water content of the body, which is present in the extracellular fluid. Now this fluid will collect into this ECF and will lead to formation of edema. The next protein is the globulin. It is formed in the liver, reticular endothelial system or plasma cells. It has basically three types: alpha, beta, and gamma. The alpha and beta are basically responsible for the transportation. Examples are transferrin, ceruloplasmin, hemopexin. They also form different lipoproteins in combination with lipids and plasma. Now come to the antibodies, also known as immunoglobulins or gamma globulins. They are formed by the plasma cells. Immunoglobulins, they provide immunity. The normal AGR ratio it is around 1.5 to 2.5 ratio 1. Detection of AGR helps in diagnosing and assessing the prognosis of especially immunological and inflammatory disease in which this concentration or this ratio disrupted. Now come to the fibrinogen. It plays an important role in blood coagulation. It also contributes to viscosity of plasma and determination of ESR. Fibrinogen protein basically it is fibrous in structure. So this helps in viscosity of the plasma. Now come to the various functions of plasma proteins. The first important function is maintenance of osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure of plasma due to plasma proteins is called oncotic pressure. Oncotic pressure retains fluid in the vascular compartment, therefore it prevents loss of fluid from capillaries into the interstitial tissue space. So basically, albumin protein holds water content so that it prevents loss of fluid from capillaries into the interstitial tissue space. When oncotic pressure decreases due to hypoproteinemia, means the concentration of albumin is decreasing due to some liver and kidney diseases. That condition is known as hypoproteinemia. Finally, which will lead to the edema due to escape of water into the interstitial tissue space because due to less concentration of albumin protein, oncotic pressure decrease, the water finally collected into the interstitial tissue spaces and led to the edema formation. Immunity functions are basically gamma globulins or antibodies. They mediate humoral immunity that protects the body from infections. Antibodies. Coagulation functions. Blood clotting helps in concentration of fibrinogen. Blood clotting depends on concentration of fibrinogen and other clotting factors like prothrombin. Buffering functions, basically plasma proteins forms an important buffering system of the body called protein buffers. This helps in acid-base balance of the body. Next function is the maintenance of viscosity. Plasma proteins contributes to about 50% of the viscosity of the blood. The viscosity depends on the molecular shape of the plasma proteins. Fibrinogen proteins, basically they are fibrillar or elongated in shape. They contribute more to the blood viscosity than albumin molecules because they are ellipsoid in structure. Transporting functions of plasma protein are as they serve as a carrier molecule for transport of various substances like hormones, drugs, and metals.